EVE Online is a vast universe, alive with the unrelenting activity and combined history of its players.
Morning.
What?
What are you playing? Videos, David Kushner.
I'm bored.
What the hell is going on your site? All hell is broken loose.
Yeah, fuck it. I had to,
Oh, we're opening. We are open.
yeah. I had to reset NinjaTrader again, so I was like, fuck it. Play some music. Thought I was listening to it. I was like, fuck, everybody else wants to listen to it also. It's a good song. You didn't like it?
Don't listen to it. I can't listen to it. I'm gonna get a strike.
Yeah. I've been in trouble before.
I've been in trouble before too. I didn't like it.
Good news is it's in the front of the video, so I can just cut it out. Didn't think about that, huh?
You're really doing it to me, eh?
Yep, anyways. I was ready. Everything was good, and then NinjaTrader's like, nah, fuck you. I ain't working. What are you talking about? Why would I work? It's like, you could try to work, you know? Alright, we got volume. I got you. Think. Say something?
I'm here. Excuse me. Starting with that throat thing again.
Sounds like you. Yeah, my throat's been all messed up also. Then when the song ended, then when the song ended, I was about to start. And then my grandma called. Damn. What is going on today? Called to tell me there's milk in the mashed potatoes.
Are you lactose intolerant?
No, I think my daughter is.
Okay.
That's why she had to go home. She got sent home yesterday. And I told the wife she needed to stay home again today. Because they gave her milk that we've told her many times not to.
Yeah.
And then they're like, oh, she's got a temperature. I'm like, she ain't got no damn temperature. Y'all gave her milk. We told you not to. Not my fault y'all can't follow instructions. What
well,
it was.
We're going down. We're breaking through pre-market lows and last Friday's low, on the daily. If you take a look,
I haven't looked at anything.
That support there.
I haven't looked at anything. All I'm looking at is this chart and seeing if it says order.
Order filled.
Order filled. You know it already.
Who doesn't know? Who doesn't dream about that sound? Dave, you can close the window. Okay, I forgot to turn the heat on for you.
So they had that lockdown at the school yesterday. So I'm assuming they didn't have the regular people giving them food. But I guess they didn't get the memo that she was lactose intolerant. So they gave her a big old chocolate milk to drink. And it just so happens that 30 minutes later, her belly's hurting. Yep, I think we might know what the problem was. Wife's like, yeah, how many times I told y'all not to give her milk? Then we tell the girl, right? We're like, well, you do know better. She's like, I like chocolate milk.
That's my kid's weakness too.
Right? You can't leave it up to the kid. But I like chocolate milk. What, do you like your belly hurting? No. I like chocolate milk. Now she's home again today.
Most of the time he remembers to take those lactose things, those lactose pills, but sometimes he forgets and he pays.
I was thinking they had something like that. Do they work? I need to ask
for him.
I need to ask her doctor about getting her some. Bama, good morning.
Most of the time they work.
Mike, good morning.
Yep.
K50, good morning. Skeletor, good morning. Everybody else I missed, good morning. Sorry, my morning kind of got messed up. Rambling around. Yes, I still fight Ninja Trader daily. Bob C. Sir, good morning. Like he's asking you a question.
Is he asking me if I'm busy trading the opening? The answer is yes. Read it to me.
Are you giving away?
Am I giving away?
Look, you said read it.
What? Maybe the what? Your what got cut out? Did you say what are we giving away?
Look, I said what he said.
Yeah, I just heard you say, "Are you giving away?" I think
are you giving away?
Are you giving away?
I said what he said.
I'm saying, "Are you giving away?" Oh, we are giving away on Monday. We're still running the beta today, and on Monday it starts. We're giving away. It's a giveaway of 20 accounts, 10 from Bullinox and 10 from Taurus Arena. Nice to see you here, Bob. It's a giveaway game. Want to see the preview of it? Let's see if I can get it up for a quick second here. That's the giveaway game. We put you in it. You got to get into the winner's pit. You got the resistance wall. Now let's see if we can get into another long trade.
Mm-hmm.
Come on, mouse. You heard? I don't know if you heard. The volume's 800,000, eh? Remember, 400,000 is usually my...
Another one of those days, huh? So this is that same area that we've been bouncing off of. It was a bit lower, but then it got a bit higher. Coming off of that kind of support area there. Looks like we're getting this large push up off of it. I would be looking to see how the market reacts here.
Yeah,
theoretically, surprising. I should be going online and buying some stocks. How much you want to bet by the time we get off stream to be way up there?
I was saying, are we going to be able to make it up to 25,200? We need to make it up to 25,200 to not close below the 50.
Nice push, yeah, Bama. What's going on this morning? Boy, that's what got me last time.
I'm talking about the daily. The daily, eh? Not close below the 50 on the daily.
Last time I was in this area, I wanted to buy a bunch of stocks and like, all right, I'll get it later. Come back and it's shot to the moon. Mother beach.
40.63 on gold. Gold's rallying also, making a nice push.
Wow, Amazon just had a big push, didn't they? On the daily charts.
Say that again. Cutting in and out on your first words again.
Amazon had a big push up, but I'm not talking about like today. I'm talking about like the past week or so.
Yeah.
Looking at the long-term charts, waiting on this trade to trigger. Damn, Oracle's down 38%.
Such a bugger.
Mm-hmm. Okay, got it some more later. We trading long, short?
Don't ask.
Don't ask, don't tell.
Don't ask, don't tell.
Was that don't ask me no questions? I won't tell you no lies.
Mhm. Very bad trading. Very bad trading.
Who did it?
And again, why? I'm going counter trend. That's why. Always counter trend. Counter trend greed. I should be only going long, and I was taking shorts, and I had 3 big losers in a row.
We just talked about coming off of this big support zone. Big candle pushing up, bullish candle.
I don't know why I'm so standard.
Last time we came here, it blinked for a second and shot to the moon. Doesn't mean past performance, doesn't mean future performance, but something to look at.
$801. Charts are off a little bit, it looks like.
Mine look pretty good.
Hard to tell, but it looks like my charts are up, and it's hard to see up and down at the same time.
Did work on my bot a little bit yesterday.
Okay.
I'll have to run it in test mode for a few days. Did kind of have a mix up with DeepSeek, and I'm like, can you just undo all that bullshit and go back where we're supposed to be? It said yes, but you know how that goes.
$9.44 coming up to $9.45. 15-minute opening range. Let's take a look at ES and NQ. Again, they kind of look the same, but in this case, NQ looks a little bit stronger. NQ is taking out the 7 o'clock highs. ES is not.
Cold, man. Why am I cold?
It is 29. I had the window open actually, even it's freezing where I am right now.
I mean, it's like 68 where I'm at. I got the heater on.
Yeah, there's a bit of delay. 50.
What's that blue line? Is that VWAP?
There is definitely a delay. 45, 45. The blue line is VWAP, yeah. I always use blue dash for VWAP.
What,
It'd be nice if I had eyes on the top of my head and in the front of my head, so
can
I
you
could
tell me
see
where
them both.
Can you tell me where the VWAP is?
888. Easy number.
88. Make sure I'm not buying into VWAP.
So I go take a quick bathroom break now that we're close to VWAP.
I'm gonna buy right into VWAP.
$9.46. I gotta write the time down because you're cutting out. I gotta see if it's on both streams or just on mine. Just on mine, then it's the Discord settings again. Or again, you'll have to explain me how your line 6 works with your prism. Your prism is direct, your line 6 is not. And if your prism is direct, then I would ask, why would you use direct with prism and line 6 with Discord?
Get that off. Too close to VWAP. Been through enough pain to fight VWAP. Did put the noise canceller back on yesterday. Was it doing it yesterday?
I don't remember.
I mean, I got it as low as it'll go.
Yeah.
All right. All right. Turns out it could have went a little bit lower. So now it's as low as it can go. So if it keeps doing it, tell me.
Well, it's true. I'm not hearing you from my stream.
Trying to get that little bit of hiss out. You shouldn't even hear it on yours. No, it can't be it because that's on Prism. That's not even.
No, I'm not hearing you on. I'm not hearing you hiss. I'm hearing you get cut out like you're underwater. Like when you said "all right," what I heard was.
Yeah, yours does that too. It's got to be Discord. Yeah,
that's annoying because we miss the first words.
Yeah, anything I got here, you don't even hear. So certainly not it.
breaking through VWAP strongly. 949. This 5-minute candle will definitely be closing above the 5-minute opening range. 15-minute opening range. That would be very interesting to see if we bounce off this level here. I mean, it's a range. It's a range between 626 and 789. It's a wide range. We had a lot of bounces on the daily at different levels, all in the same area. Wow, that was a little bit of a dump while I was talking about that. Holy shit. 880 to 895 in an instant.
Seems like the new bot did pretty good so far. It took 2 trades. I finally got the auto scale where it doesn't like zoom way out on my chart. I was trying to tell DeepSea guys, like, look, can we do something about this auto scale? And it went in and deleted all my second orders and all kinds of stuff. Like, damn, DeepSea, that's not quite what I meant. I was talking about the indicator. Like, can we fix all that and start back over? Like, it went through and gutted my bot. But all those pictures I've been taking of the errors, went through and gave it all those pictures. Look, man, I'm getting all kinds of errors. What can we do about this? Thought that I didn't have the bot on. If it was the bot causing NinjaTrade to have issues, maybe I wouldn't do it. But today I had issues again. I had to reset it again. I didn't even have the bot on. So I don't know what it is.
Holding below VWAP.
Basically just have to run on a limited version of NinjaTrader and reset it 3 times a week.
That is not convenient.
No.
That's not convenient. That's not fun. That's not cool. Give me a sec. I'll be back.
Anybody else taking trades? How y'all doing in this? Got for anybody that took this low down here. Run it up. Damn. They got 250 points. Go from the low over 300. Took it but closed it. Good job. I don't think any of us could have known it was going to run 300 points. I was talking about over here before we hit the same area. Shot up. All these times back over here. 270 on 1 micro. Can't complain about that. Oh man, that's awesome. I'm just sad by the time I get to buy stocks, they're going to be way up here. Same thing happened to me last time over here. Well, what can you do? I got enough stocks. Always buy some more Meta. Say it was down like 28%, 24%. Like Meta and Oracle.
Okay, I'm back.
And?
Shh,
Don't talk about it. Be real quiet. Be real quiet. Don't talk.
Long at 34. Did I get in? Long at 27. Nice.
I don't even know if you could hear me whispering into the mic.
Yeah, no, the whispering I hear.
Really?
Yeah.
Got like 3 noise gates. Whatever that other noise thing is.
No, the whispering I hear.
Noise, like 2-3 noise gates and a noise suppressor, and that one kind of acts as a noise gate also.
Can you do all this? Why?
So I don't get that buzzing sound that you get.
I'm buzzing.
Sometimes on the phone I hear it when it's just you. Not that much though. I hear other people, they're way worse.
Yeah, it's a trade-off, I guess, eh?
Yeah.
So what did we do? You can see that blue box, we swept the pre-market lows, and then we went right up to the pre-market highs. Told you guys that happens with a very high frequency, much higher than you would think it would. I mean, I'm not saying it happens daily, but it happens quite often.
That the one you're always talking about Asia low or something?
No, this is the pre-market. Pre-market is if it touches one side, very often. It's almost like every third day or something it goes to the other side. I should start keeping stats on it. And it really just takes out the low by a little bit. Or the high, whichever side it takes out. It's an interesting trade. I don't know, but
go ahead.
I was gonna say, how do you create a trigger, an entry for that and a stop? What is it on the first time you break the high of the previous candle on the 1 minute chart? Is it the first after the break of structure, the first little retrace? Hard to come up with something, but you know what? I'm gonna do a little back testing on that and check it out.
Well, I do see several entry triggers for that. First off, I was going to say that the ICT guys would call this accumulation, manipulation, distribution.
Mm-hmm. And aggravation.
Accumulation, your manipulation coming down and to the moon. Since that's too much of a headache for me, I would just say have a morning star pattern on the 2 minute chart. This other 2 minute chart. On this 2 minute chart, we have a bullish engulfing. So you can see we broke down, took liquidity, bullish engulfing candle. We also have a gap, breaking a gap. So right there would have been a perfect entry. 2 minute chart. Ran like 200 points after that. Of course, I've never been accused of holding a 200 point trade, so I would have took about 20 or 30 points. I have no interest in 100 point trades. You know why? Ask me why, Mike. Ask me why.
Because we don't like to hold.
Because too many times I go up 50, 60, 70, 80 points. Come right back down, take all my money.
Yeah, many times. Get to too many times.
That'll put you in a bad mood for the day. Wood chip, good morning.
Wood chip.
Wood chip. Wood chip. Wood chip. That's wood chip. What it says?
Wood chip.
That's wood chip.
Hi there. That's a nice way to say it. Good morning. Hi there. I like that. I'm going to start using it.
Unless it's a wood chip and pasta.
Omnius?
Omnius?
Hi there.
Omnius and pasta?
Officer Omnius.
Not me.
Yeah. I hear you, Sparky. I shorted 933 to 742. That must have been in the middle of the night. No, in the middle of the night for you. Not for me. 6 in the morning for me. Looks like.
Guess this drop up here. Looks about right.
Problem is
What? 742? Sweet.
Wow, 310 my time.
190 points.
Buddy, you need sleep.
Yeah, sleep's overrated.
That's what I said for a long time.
I just say it because some reason I like waking up at 3 o'clock in the morning and not going back to sleep for several hours.
10 to 3. Okay, that's good. Guys, I'm going to reset my Ninja Trader. Give me a half a second. You'll still be able to hear me. But I'm going to close it down. And I'm going to flush. Am I going to flush? I'm going to flush the cash. Because I'm noticing that my charts are a little behind. I'm entering and I'm clicking even by market. I'm getting prices that aren't on the chart. That's not where the candle is. So let's clear it out.
How do you flush the cash?
Well, it came with the trade copier.
Oh.
There's a flusher.
Maybe that's what I need, something like that.
So it's easy. You press one button, and then you got like 9 lines. Cleared this directory, cleared that directory.
Yeah. I mean, theoretically, I flush it also. I just flush everything else with it.
Wow, 271 micro. Good job.
What about 71 micro?
No, Bama says he took 270 on 1 micro.
Oh, yeah.
I haven't checked for copyright strikes in a while. I gotta check.
Did it close it like you closed it early, but 270 on 1 micro, that's what,
135 points.
yeah. That's a pretty big move.
Yep, that's a good catch. That's a big fish.
I'd assume something like that. If I was guessing.
Okay, we're waiting for it to load. Good volatility, but you know what? Got all these rules. Don't enter late, don't enter early. How about when the ATR is like where we are now? I'm guessing it's probably pretty high. I'm gonna have to log in and see what the even the volume is. I'm curious.
You know what's funny? Is we never like other people's rules. And we make our own rules and we don't like them either.
Yeah, it is odd, eh? Sometimes I say to them, what the hell do you even have rules for?
Like, why don't you go make your own rules then? Make your own rules. I don't like those either.
I'm saying what makes it hard is like you can't even get the price you're trying for. Okay, we can connect. Everything is hunky dory.
Good, you got it?
Yeah, it's loading. Now it's got to bring in all the data. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 charts. Plus the volume bar. So it's all fresh. 1.2 million at 10:05 on the volume. So there you go. Got an idea of what I was saying.
That a lot?
It is.
Yeah, I see it on my chart. There's large orders everywhere. Need to raise the number or something.
Yeah.
I think every candle's got it.
Well, for me, the
Like, what am I even looking at?
the number I'm always got in my head is 400,000.
Look at this. Show me the large orders. They haven't stopped. Every freaking candle.
If we get over 400,000 by 9:30, that's pretty good. You know, and then you
I got set 500. Let's raise it to 7.
where we are now, that's pretty high. What did I say it was? Was it a million already?
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah, 1.2, I think I said, yeah, 1.2 million. Yeah, no, that's very high. That's probably 3 times normal. ATR 37, very high.
Y'all should start streaming Asian. I don't know if I can see with my eyes squinted like that. Next thing is blurry, Bama. God, tough crowd. It's supposed to be a little funny.
Boom, boom. That's all I can say.
I know those Asian guys, they're pretty good traders. I don't know. Mike, when is the Asia session?
What is the Asia session?
What time? Yeah. You keep up with all that stuff, not me.
Woodchip says now with daylight saving time, it opens at 7. I used to know it to open at 8. So what did we do? We moved the clocks forward or backwards? I don't even remember. I don't even know if they have daylight savings times. Anyways, it's starts at 7 or 8 p.m.
Well, that sucks, Bama. Start working 8 to 5. Won't be able to join us often. That sucks. I don't know if I could wake up at 7. You're talking 7 in the morning, right?
Oh, Asia session.
At night?
PM.
I don't know. That's why I asked. This guy.
It's Asia.
I only keep up with New York. Yeah,
Working
Bama.
better.
I will try to do a couple Asian sessions or something.
Yeah, I like the evening stream. I hope I can get back to it next
I
week.
know Mike likes to
I've been
do it.
trying.
It's hard for me to do it
Yeah.
because I got kids and it's generally family time. Plus, it's kind of hard to stream with kids running around yelling, jumping on you. Maybe we can work something out, try to do like a certain day or something. Thought about trying to do some different time frames. It's just hard to get it together.
Maybe a strong move up. That's the bail on.
Plus, the market's really slow in the nighttime.
Often it is, yep.
Most time I see people trading it, they really don't even trade.
Be a good time to play Deal Me In all day long.
Yeah. I mean, you can trade the Asian session, or I call it night session. You can trade. It's just really slow. It's good for the just kind of buy and hold strategy. Pick your direction, buy at a good price, and just kind of hold it for a while. Yeah, Bam, I would almost rather trade before work than the night session. But, I mean, it is tradable. See people do it.
Yeah, you change maybe your charts a little bit. Make them a little more sensitive, number one. And number two, you're not getting in for 10 or 15 seconds. Even the way I trade my targets, you're getting in for 20 minutes, 40 minutes, just to hit target on one, get a second wrinkle bar. And you say to yourself, what the hell am I doing this for?
A few of the strategies I know that work pretty well in that session is like the first inside bar. A few of those guys trade that. Maybe get you an inside bar indicator. Yeah, lower volume, longer hold time. Something like an inside bar indicator and support and resistance. But I think it just takes so long to come down to your support.
Well, what I was trading in the evening session was gold. I found gold was the better bang for your buck, even Bitcoin. NQ was slow, but gold still trades, especially in the Asia session. Bitcoin is active all the time.
Damn, Bama, we're going to miss you during the day. But you got to do what you got to do. See if we can get something at night. Trying to get Mike to do something in the afternoon, but I guess you'd still be at work then too. I'm gonna start doing like a podcast type deal. Talk about different strategies and
Yeah, I set up a window for that already. I'll show you.
different psychology tricks. Time where we can kind of get together, hang out, and go over different aspects of trading, where the morning session's mainly about the chart and everybody's distracted. I like to get something where we get together and talk about the other aspects of trading. Yelling my guys, I'll jump in the chart from time to time. Oh yeah, Bama.
That makes us feel good. Appreciate it. Thank you very much, Bama.
Yep, it's hard to trade with a full-time job. But it is doable. Wake up a little early, take you a trade. Come home, do the night session, take you a trade. They're just so different, though. I almost got to have a different mindset in the morning, a different mindset at night. What are we looking for, Mike?
It took a little bit of a long, but I had my opportunity to get out, and it didn't take me out. It's funny. The charts, I swear to God, seriously, the charts are way off where price actually is. Price was above my limit line.
We got 931. Well, it moves so fast.
Yeah. What are you doing telling me I got 931? By the time you said that, we were at 951.
Yeah, 970, 960.
This isn't the evening session. You can't tell me we're at 931.
Yeah,
you
right.
Tell me we're in the 900s. We're in the 900s.
I'm at 40 points in like 2 seconds.
Well, the thing is, I know the charts do that on NinjaTrader. The data comes in, and then it updates the chart. It's a back and forth. So if you had a bot, the bot would be getting in, and you would be saying, wait a minute, we didn't even trigger yet, because the bot reads the data. It doesn't go off the chart. But I'm trading off the chart visually. So I'm trading one data batch late. And when you have an ATR of 40, that can log in.
Bama, if we don't see you, still got to come into Discord from now and then. Hang out. When do you start the 8 to 5? Assume probably next week. Start Monday. Well, if you got you a new job, congratulations on the new job. It's always exciting.
Actually, it's better hours. If I remember, Bama used to be working in the night shift.
Yeah, I think he used to get off right as we were getting on the stream, wasn't he?
When I was doing the all-nighters.
Maybe it's the same job, and maybe he got on day shift.
Go up. It's tough to do a shift like that.
No, night shift would be hard. Bama's at the same job, you just go on the day shift? Oh, new job, yeah. A lot of jobs are toxic environments now. Mike, imagine somebody comes to you and they say, look, I'm going to show up every day. I'm going to make you a shitload of money. All I want you to do is treat me right. Right? You'd be like, hell yeah, I treat you like gold. Why is that difficult for jobs? I guess that's how they make all their money. treating other people like crap. And then, like, not even the owners and stuff, the people that move up to, like, supervisor or management or something. Man, as soon as they become a supervisor or a manager, they change immediately, don't they?
Yeah, well, they have to.
Hey, dude, what happened to you? You was cool for 10 years, and now you're a freaking jackass.
They have to enforce the rules.
You don't have to do anything.
Well, that's why they got that job. If they took it, they have to.
I think I was always that guy that they hated to go talk to. Like, come here, we need to talk. You sure? Take a deep breath first. Don't like all the DEI and the alphabet mafia crap. I hear that. Nope, I would never put up with that. Yep, I had to be talked to a few times about stuff just like that. I was never good in the office meetings. Yeah. Everybody else goes in the office, they start getting on to them like, I'm sorry, I'll do better. Me. I don't give a fuck. It's your problem. Why are you telling me? What the fuck you want from me?
Employee of the month.
I think I sent a lot of supervisors home crying. Just one guy at work. He's just so freaking difficult. Well, told you to take a deep breath. Funny thing about jobs is sometimes it's not even the supervisor. Sometimes it's the other employees. It's like, do y'all really get paid enough to worry about what I'm doing? I remember I had the first kid and I told him I was taking time off for the kid. And they're like, well, you really don't have any time to take off. What do you need, like one day? Like,
Yeah, one day.
I'm gonna be gone for like 2 weeks. Like, what? Well, if I don't have the job when I get back, just let me know. I'll go to get another one.
Yeah.
Company's like, all right, take 2 weeks. Come back, all the employees are mad. How'd you get 2 weeks off? I don't know. I went to the management, told them I was taking 2 weeks off. Just a corporate policy where I left. Yeah, a lot of that stuff. Policy everywhere now. Isn't it crazy when a job has to hire a DEI manager? Like, yeah, we have to hire a DEI manager to make sure we got our DEI. What?
That stuff was dead already.
What's that?
I thought that stuff was dead already.
Hell no. Bam, if they're a public company, they pretty much have to have DEI because of BlackRock. BlackRock pretty much requires them to have DEI. Government contracted. You know, the government requires a lot of it too now.
Oh, the moves are fast, man.
J.M. Smucker Company. Well, hopefully the new job works out better. Get away from all that toxic bullshit. Here's the important things to note. Got to be there at least 90 days before you tell them to go fuck themselves. Mike, I don't know about in Canada, but in the U.S. they have like a 90-day probationary period.
Yeah.
For most jobs.
Yeah, I think they all do.
A lot less physical labor for you. All for that. Hell yeah. I mean, I don't know how old you are. I mean, I remember being in my 20s and loving all that physical stuff. Then came the 30s and I was like, I don't know about this, man. This is can't go out there and sweat for 8 hours anymore. Non-stop. Yeah, 40? No. It's over. Body be like, bullshit. Bullshit. Bullshit.
Okay, let me take a quick break again.
All right. Grab me a coffee, will you?
Sounds good.
12 hours a day, 5 to 6 days a week. Yeah, Bam, I was doing that years back. Finally, I told myself, look, I can't work like this. Basically told the company, look, best I can do is about 8 or 9, maybe 10 hours a day. If you're going to fire me, do it. The job wasn't that bad. I was running a machine. So, fun running the machines. They just like a lot of hours. They're like, you don't understand how much money we're making. I'm like, yeah, you are. Not me.
Yes, I was saying before. The other thing is, I don't know why I scalp counter trend. At best, I make a little. Most likely, I'll break even on it overall, and then I take these big losses on it. I mean, it's pretty silly. And the other thing that I was saying about the rules is, I got to make adjustments when the ATR is 43 points.
Yeah, that's why I haven't really traded much today.
My Renko chart is acting like a 1 second chart right now.
I mean, the chart still looks pretty good. I feel like could have had a lot of great trades, but I don't know, man. Friday.
10:30.
Got beat up enough yesterday, made back a lot of what I got beat up on yesterday. So I don't know. I don't would like another trade or two, but I'm not gonna force it. I always told my jobs, look, family comes first. Job's a job, a family's a family. And look, y'all do what y'all do. I try to show up when I can, but my family comes first, dude. What's so funny is so many times other people will be like, you know, you're going to be the first one to get laid off. And come time to lay people off and stuff, I was generally one of the last people to get laid off. Like, oh, what happened? Oh, you got laid off? You kissed ass and told your family they weren't important enough for all these years, and you were the first one they fired. How do you feel about that? What I like about trading, though, show up when I want, trade when I want. If I don't want to trade, don't trade.
No traffic.
I mean, the traffic's terrible. Tripped over a dog this morning. Yeah, you. Mike, does your animals always lay exactly where like the walkway is?
Oh, it's crazy. Always in my feet. I get so aggravated.
Yeah, Bam, I think when people are younger, they like all that money. Nowadays, it takes too long for me to recover. I don't know. Can't do it. I see all these people making all this money, and they're still broke. All right, you working 80 hours a week, but you just said you were broke.
Yeah. Got up to the previous day's low, just got a little bit above it and rounded down.
I know people that make great money, killer money. We'd all love to make their money. Do they have money? No, they're broke. It's funny.
It's funny. Up to them.
I just couldn't imagine making 200, 300, 400 grand a year being broke. Not only that, some of them are married and they both make that. Still broke. How the hell you broke? What happened? Here's what they get that I don't get. They get a really big shiny house, a real fancy shiny car. You know what? They can have it. Like my house, like my car. Mike, why are you hiding?
Am I?
You scared? Am I threatening you?
No, you know what? I turned the mic off and then I forget to turn then I turn the mic back on. I forget. If I turn the mic on first, I forget to turn the camera on. Of course. Oh, Lord.
What?
Unbelievable.
What did I do?
Oh, no, I took another counter trend scalp. It's like they're working. I take one, it doesn't work. That's why I said a
Did you lose?
Yeah.
Good.
50 bucks.
Got what you deserved.
Good. I did.
Now you see why I can't be an accountability partner? I was just joking. I don't want you to lose trades. Why counter trend though? Just asking.
I guess it's just FOMO. It's just greed. Just trying to eke out a few dollars on the little mini move. And
Yeah. Bama 2 trades, 2 wins, up 500. Done for the day. Sweet. Especially on a Friday. It's a good way to end the week. Go into the weekend. Yeah, I wouldn't risk it. Lock that in, switch to a eval or a paper account or
doesn't better go to 25.
25. What's that now?
There we go. All out, -3. Or is it just taking too long to process the orders? Flatten, cancel.
Bama, where'd you take the second trade? No, the first one was back here. I was on the right chart. I don't know why it keeps trying to show that window.
Looks like it wants to go. Micro E-mini NASDAQ.
No, the first one was back here somewhere. Second one in here. All I see is a bunch of chop.
Yep.
Look at these candles.
Maybe I should just take my $21 loss and that's
All
it.
these wicks. Start seeing all that, it tells me calm down. Try to stay out of this. Took it off that accumulation area around here. And I have a accumulation there and manipulation. Back up. Crazy thing is this huge move and we're still down on the day. Pushing up to the Globex Open now.
Are we really? Oh, yeah, you're right. Previous close, 088. Up to, got through 25,000.
So we went down almost 500 points on the day and right back up 480. Crazy. Almost 1,000 points of movement so far today. I think if you could have caught that going down and then caught it going back up. One day I'm going to be as good as some of those hindsight traders. Mike looks like he's in deep thought.
watching. It's fast. I gotta be on the ball.
All right, I'm gonna grab my drink. Be back.
I short it. 57. Stupid laggy platform. Moving up strong. Getting up to the previous day's close at 088. Probably going to tap into it. Wouldn't be surprised. Let's see a move down now. First one. First touch. PTR 28. Bouncing off previous day's close. Yes, just got up the previous day's low. So ES is weaker. Relatively speaking. Yeah, definitely. NQ is stronger today. .30 push off the previous day's close. The prices are changing fast, man. I'm along at 72. Let's see if we go back into the 80s. Target is 81. There we go. There's the 81. Okay, that was a little bit slower of a trade. 27 ATR, 40 ATR is very hard to trade. But it really looks like we're going to push through, eh? It really looks like we're going to push through. One. Oh, I didn't have my chat up, eh? Duck. Chat. Okay, there we go.
Got attacked by a gremlin that wanted marshmallows. Might have happened to you when you took a break also?
No. Got a partial message from you. Happy birthday too, and I didn't see the rest. 26 minutes ago.
From who?
Omnius, it said.
Happy
Facebook.
birthday.
Yeah, it said Omnius. Happy birthday too, ... I clicked on it, it just sent me to your page.
The hell are you talking about?
Yeah.
Didn't you have a birthday like 3 months ago? 2 months ago?
I don't know, you wrote it.
Where?
It's not showing up now. It was a notification. Close my phone.
You got a notification 3 months late?
Omnius trades. No, not showing up. I could have taken a screenshot.
Joker, good morning.
Good morning, Joker. Oof.
Famo was looking
Upgrade
for
tape.
sales at 25,000. Looking at the tape and footprint. Went on and bought. I think that means it took a buy.
I'm on live chat.
I guess the buy would have been the correct answer. Good job.
Mhm.
We got 1046. My messages.
Well, we broke above previous day's close. Like I said, ESNQ is quite a bit stronger than ES today. And we're just going up and away. Let's see the daily. Where do we got to get to? Ah, look at that. We are back above the 50 moving average. I was going to say, if we close below it, and I didn't think we would come back up that much. Really, I didn't. Strong. Volume, probably 1.8 million.
Mike, I sent you a message in Discord.
1.5. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
I didn't write a message in Discord.
What did I just say? Said I sent you. I as in me.
You know what I heard? I just saw. I don't mind. Sure. Open it up. Go. You always beat me to it. I'll try and beat you without even telling you when I'm leaving.
I'm already there. I didn't even ask anybody yet.
Watch how long it takes me.
Bama, Joker, Wood Chip, Skeletor. Y'all want to go hang out in the Discord? Open it up. Y'all want to hang out? Chat for a little bit. Friday. If anybody's interested. Mike wanted to beat me so much he's already there. Shows you how excited he is. Did you win?
Oh, well, how come I hear you?
Why wouldn't you?
Because I'm in a different room.
What room you in?
The public now?
I think it works for both.
So where's the audio coming from? Go speak?
No, I'm not speaking. I'm not talking to you.
No. You're just coming in to my earphones like this from Discord.
I don't
Well,
know. Mine works fine. I can switch over to either channel. Don't matter mine.
It's definitely Discord. Hey, Bama.
Got Bama. Although the names are messed up. Need a different channel. What if we go 3, 2, 3? I don't even remember what channels I used to use. No, wasn't 3. 2. There we go. We can use that one. That off. Like these old channels look weird. I ain't been on them in a while.
Mm-hmm. Oh, you know what? This one probably. Oh no, there, it just made a noise.
Now can I still hear you?
Okay, there we go. That's working.
Yep.
We'll get the camera up soon enough.
Okay. What y'all want to talk about?
Yay.
I don't know. Where's everybody at?
Sleeping? I think it's cold weather got everybody sleeping.
Target 65.
I'm enjoying this cold weather.
Find myself enjoying it sometimes, and sometimes not so much. But it's weird. It's like, it'll be like 60 degrees and I'm like freezing. And the other day it was like 45 and I was like, oh, this ain't even that cold. My body don't
I had
know.
to turn my heat on the other night, and I don't ever turn it on.
Yeah, I turn mine on. I always turn mine on before it gets really cold, just to let it run at a, because the heat don't run all summer and spring or fall and all that, so good to let it run on a day it's not running that much. Clear it out.
Get that smell out of it.
Yeah.
No, he doesn't.
Mike don't even know what you're talking about. He said smell.
Oh, smell. I was just going to bring that up. When we start hours up for the first time,
Yeah.
it always smells like our house is on fire.
Yeah.
Mhm.
All the dust that accumulated on it starts burning. Okay. Cam, what does a cam look like? A cam looks like that. Window capture.
And then when the first time you start it, the longer it runs or the harder it runs. Like if you do it on you wait for like a hard freeze or something to do it, and the whole house smells like it's burning down.
Mm-hmm.
It's the kids that open the heat. We wake up in the middle of the night. That's on fire. Anybody smell fire?
I swear sometimes my fire alarms like to go off in the middle of the night anyways. They like around 2 o'clock.
I agree.
What?
I agree 100%.
Whatever you're saying it's not coming through.
He got abducted.
He got abducted by aliens.
Yeah.
It was like,
Y'all hear me?
yeah.
We do now, yeah. I guess we're on your cell, eh? Usually that's a
No, I don't really burn anything, but for some reason, any little bit of smoke sets it off. I guess that's because I got it so close to the stove.
Oh yeah.
You're talking about the fire alarm. Yeah, we got we beat you. We got the world's most sensitive one. You fart, it goes off.
Most of mine are on the other side of the house, but we have a hallway and there's several rooms around the hallway. They got code now where you have to have like one in the hallway, one in the door of each bedroom. We got like 4 or 5 fire alarms like within 10 feet of the house. And then the hallway kind of acts like a big speaker box. They like to go off at 2 o'clock in the morning. It's so freaking loud, like gives you a migraine. Me and the wife are like jumping out of bed. What's happening? What's going on? Both kids sleep right through it.
Yeah, the kids always sleep through it. How many times we had meetings with the kids?
Yeah.
Hey guys, the thing is ringing. It's not like a car alarm. You know, when it's just ringing and you're walking in a parking lot and you hear a car alarm, you just ignore it. This is a fire alarm in your house. You don't just roll over and put a pillow on your head.
I don't know how many times we've had those meetings. Like, guys, fire alarm means there could be a fire. Get up, get moving, do it quickly. I mean, luckily we've never had a fire, but just weird that it just randomly goes off 2 o'clock in the morning.
Ghosts.
I think a change in pressure also sets them off. And then when one goes off, all of them go off. But Chip, we're in the Discord. You want to come hang out? Chat with us.
Y'all still looking for trades?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm still scalping my way
Haven't
to
really
aggravation.
taken much of anything today.
I thought I was going to lose that first trade. That's why I only took one micro on it, but it worked out. So.
Yeah, it works out great. And you're like, man, I wish I'd have did like a 5 lot or a 6 lot.
Yeah, because I took it off of an area I had marked way back. I said, well, I marked it for a reason, so I'm going to trust it.
Yeah.
Was that the low of
It had to have been like a
Probably the low.
yeah, at the low there was an imbalance there from a previous candle, and there's like a big imbalance. I'll mark that area and wait for price to revisit it.
Yeah. You gonna say hi? I don't see you.
On what time frame did you see the imbalance?
Saying hi?
4 hour, 1 hour?
The imbalance would have been on the footprint on the 30 minute.
I got you. I
Alright.
wouldn't even know how to read
Go
that.
do minion stuff. Skeletor, we got Discord open. You want to come hang out? Chat for a few minutes? Kind of having a relaxing chat day, Friday. Bama made all the money. I'm just trying not to lose money. Mike, that's still a strategy, right?
It is. Last I checked. Sitting on your hands.
I'm just kind of happy I made back some money today on the bot trades instead of losing money again. Been getting kind of beat up. I'm hoping I fix some of those errors I keep running into. What now? It is open.
The pool?
Fill it. It said you look like a girl and you sit down to pee. Mike, you didn't mess with your kids enough when they were growing up.
No, I did not. When I hear you, I definitely did not.
I want my kids to be like teenagers or something. Somebody's trying to bully them. And they're like, that's all you got? Best you can do. I got in trouble last night, Mike.
Kill it, Lord.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah. Good morning.
What's up? Good morning.
Good morning, good afternoon.
Morning.
Mike, I got in trouble last night. The girl was like, "You never gave the boy birthday spankings."
That's so unfair.
I was like, all right, bet. All right, bet. So the wife was holding him, and I ran there to give him birthday spankings. And he's like squirming around. I accidentally stepped on his foot.
Oh, man.
Not only did he get beat, he got his foot hurt.
You meant well.
Yeah, what can you do? Like, I didn't mean to hurt your foot. I was trying to beat you. And he's like, well, you shouldn't be trying to beat me. Like,
it's your birthday.
yeah. He's like, that's not a thing. I'm like, I'm pretty sure it is. Somebody told me
It
that
is
was a
now.
thing.
It is now in our household. Well,
Like, look,
all I
I'm
can
trying
say is-
here, you know, just give me credit. I'm trying. I don't want to
And
just
your
feel like you
grandpa-
missed out. I want you to get the
And
full
your grand-
experience.
when you're a grandpa, don't be surprised why you don't get invited to your grandkids' birthdays.
Which, Mike, kind of busy right now. That's cool.
Yeah. My chat just keeps disappearing. I forget to put it up.
Nah, I got a good relationship with my kids.
There we go.
You hear everybody nowadays talking about don't be friends with your kids. Why? You're missing an amazing opportunity in life.
Yeah, definitely 100%. I am definitely friends with my kids. There are drawdowns to it, but
I feel like we have a healthy in-between relationship. Like, I'll be your friend, but don't fuck with me.
yeah, you still gotta have respect and remember I'm your dad.
Mine kind of turned to me when they got to be teenagers.
What?
Other girls,
Yeah,
kids,
Oh,
don't know.
you breaking up
They
again?
don't tell me. They don't tell me shit.
you're back on the far side of the moon.
Need to get better cell service like this.
Unfortunately.
Yeah, you better know. Something about teenagers, that's all I heard.
No, when my girls got to be teenagers, it kind of changed on me.
Yeah, I'm dreading that moment in life. How bad was it?
It was pretty bad. I'd say with my oldest, she always favored her mother. But my youngest favored me, and when she got to be a teenager, she kind of stopped talking to me.
Oh, well. It's not fun when that happens.
No,
Mike, did you go through that?
No, I did not.
Were the teenage years bad years?
I can't say they were. I can't say they were. I mean, my kids did some shit, but we really weren't into punishing. We were just into explaining and stuff, and kind of worked out well for us. You know, we held our breath, certainly, sometimes.
yeah, but y'all are married. Divorced, though.
That I need an interpreter, man.
You remember that cartoon with the Moon Man?
Did you catch that at all?
You remember the Moon Man with the little ray gun?
Yeah.
What was his name? I can't remember his name.
Bad?
The Martian.
Yeah, it's pretty bad. There wasn't one word that was audible on that one.
I think part of it's because
Actually, you want to? It sounds like you're playing guitar and piano. That's actually what it sounds like. Doesn't even sound like you were talking there, unfortunately.
Marvin, wasn't it Marvin the Martian? I think that was it.
I'm thinking of somebody else. I'm thinking of the one from the Flintstones. The little one with the helmet.
No, I think it's from like Bugs Bunny or something. Or
Yeah, there was him too. Yeah, with the ray gun. Okay.
yeah, the ray gun, Marvin the Martian, I think it was.
Yeah. Wow, these are big moves, man. 160 down to 195.
Skeletor, how's your trading been today?
Today I didn't trade. I'm not working today, but there was some problem in the office, and I need to send a fucking email right now. So yeah, it's because it was a guy that stole at night some stuff, and I check everything from my part about the inventory and all the stuff, and everything's fine, but I'm like sending an email. I just like see the market. It was nice today,
It looks better than it was. Let's call it that.
Yeah.
I think Bama hit some really great trades, but the candles they're not really. It's like 500 points. They're not really showing like how large these candles are. We went down like 500 points and then back up 550. So
the crypto market is getting a bit down.
I haven't looked at crypto in a while.
Bitcoin is at 96,000, something like that.
No kidding, eh?
Yeah. I mean, we all kind of expected it to go down, right? I mean, it was, 126,000. Got to kind of wonder, like, who's buying at 126,000? I'm still looking for 60,000.
Who's
Maybe.
buying at 126,000? The person who said I should have bought at 20, I should have bought at 30, I should have bought at 60, and I should have bought at 80. That's who's buying at 126.
Well, here's what I would say. If you think that Bitcoin is a great value at 126,000, right now it's at 96,000. So you really should be thinking it's at a great value now, right?
Too late. They didn't put all their money in it.
Well, that's where it comes to the back end. You got to have management and have a system. You know what?
What happened? What happened with Ruan? I didn't see him like 3 weeks or something. I don't know.
Don't know. I messaged him the other day.
Oh, yeah, it's true. I forgot about that.
He must be buying with the moon, right?
Well, I told him,
Are we in that phase?
I don't know.
nah. I messaged him the other day. I was like, hey, man, we haven't seen you in a while. Some of the guys were asking about you. You didn't get eaten by a tiger, did you? He never messaged back.
I told him to put in, if you don't message back, we're going to assume the tiger got you.
I don't know. See if he messages back or comes back.
I don't know if you see the comment that Michael, the ICT, say about the order flow, that order flow and volume profile and all that stuff doesn't work.
No way, did he?
That's what ICT
Yeah.
said.
Yeah.
You go tell that to the order flow traders. Because I'll tell you, there's some really good order flow traders out there.
Order flow is the only thing that has worked for me.
And I'll tell you, a lot of like really seasoned traders that are really good, they claim that order flow is the only thing that'll constantly work.
I believe it. Even though I don't use it, I believe it, because that is what's moving the market. If you can read it.
Yeah, that is like, it's a tape reading, right? So
Is it only filled orders, or is it also what's sitting on the bids and the offers? Because that stuff, what's sitting on the bids and the offers, gets removed in microseconds. It's hard to make judgments about that. They play games with that, you know. They stack an offer just to make you think that there's size.
Well,
most manipulate you to sell, and then they lift it.
Most time with order flow, people are using like volume profile and maybe footprint, cumulative delta, stuff like that. And then a lot of people go into the level 2 data. I see some of these guys, all they use is volume profile.
Try to do that. Make that.
What?
If it's in a range. Y'all can't.
I'm not having the greatest of days. But when you talk, you make me laugh. You're making my day better. I wish I could record it and play it back for you.
He's like trying to say, fuck you guys, but it comes out like...
Maybe.
Oh, that's great.
Unbelievable.
Yeah, I think a lot of times about switching over to order flow, but there's a lot to it. I would like to incorporate certain order flow aspects because I feel like I could improve my own strategy using it. But I don't know, it's just difficult, I guess. I do think that if I had it all in one platform and it was the platform I was trading on, I do feel like it'd be a lot easier. I do think that Ninja Trader is supposed to be coming out with the Ninja prop. I keep seeing stuff about. I'm hoping that they're going to give order flow and all that in there. I think they're trying to compete with everybody switching over to Quantower. I think that would be awesome.
You can use Quantower on prop firms.
Yeah. That's what I'm saying. I think Ninja Traders, they're coming out with Ninja Trader prop now, which isn't really a prop firm, but I guess they're working with prop firms, which they've already been doing forever. So I don't understand, but they call it Ninja Trader prop now. And supposedly they're supposed to be having order flow, all the order flow stuff in there. I was saying I think they're trying to compete with everybody going over to Quantower.
I just bought Trader Dell's software for the order flow for Ninja Trader.
Yeah. And I think you were saying it's pretty good, right?
Yeah, I like the order flow. I don't like the cumulative volume delta he has. Because for whatever reason, it constantly times out, so it's never accurate. So I don't use it.
Let me ask you a question. Does it time out, or does it like you refresh the chart and it's got to start all over?
My guess is that it times out because if I refresh the chart, it's entirely different.
So I have a cumulative delta indicator I downloaded, but if I refresh the chart or something, or if I change anything in one of the indicators, it completely starts over from where the chart refreshes. So like right now, if I go and I like change something in the indicator, all the back cumulative delta I won't have. It'll be starting from right now. Maybe that's what it's doing.
It'll show the back data, but
okay,
the entire narrative that it paints is backwards from what it was before you refreshed it.
Yeah.
So I don't trust it.
Yeah.
And I know that it gets off because it'll be showing that it's still a negative Delta when it's just been bolting, and then I'll refresh it and it corrects.
Like it's not using the proper tick data.
Yeah, something's not right with it, and it could just be my settings or something that I've done, but I don't trust.
No, I doubt it, because NinjaTrader, different indicators do act like that. I got indicators that I built off of moving averages. They were bad about that. I had to quit using them. What you could do, I guess it would defeat the purpose though, is put it to where it's on bar close. If you put it on bar close, it'll give you the accurate data, but then you won't get the current candle data.
Mm-hmm.
I had to do that on indicators before. I don't remember. I might have had to build it into the code, so I don't know if you can do it just from the indicator window.
I changed the room, so maybe that's why y'all can hear me now.
Yeah, it's still breaking up a little bit.
That's what I did.
Like you get that sweet spot and then it kind of just goes in and out.
Yeah.
Go maybe wrap tinfoil around the phone.
I think that'd make it worse. Funny how phones work. Like you can be right next to the Wi-Fi or the signal and stuff, and it don't work.
No, but I know now it's the cell phone, because I know Woodchip a lot of times. He would be on his cell on his way home, and I just wouldn't hear him at all. It would warble.
Warble.
Warble. You know, like that. Warble.
Did you just say warble? You said warble. You said warble. Warble. Make that sound again? Huh.
The underwater sound.
Yeah, sure, that's what it is.
Well, I'll just bring it up. I got a little thing I created. If you guys want to check it out, the Volumetrica. Now that you guys are talking about the order flow, I think the Volumetrica platform, I think that's what it's based on. That's what its strong point is with Taurus. And again, if you guys want to check it out, see what indicators they have, whatever, they're having a 3 for 33 sale, Black Friday. What do you think of that, Omnius? I did one of those Big Mike things.
Target payout 3 times 50K prime, $33.
Yeah, 3 for 33, and it's.
Hey, I was reading that.
Oh, it's gone.
This guy.
Yeah.
He's like, hey, look at me. I look, and he's like, oh, it's gone. Haha, you missed it.
Put it back on.
Hey, y'all remember the deep charts thing?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know that's just Volumetrica reskinned, is what they're saying.
Yeah.
No kidding, because that's the funny thing.
It's brought to you by Volumetrica. It's their product.
When I got the platform, the link said deep charts, and I said, well, that's weird, but yeah, that's odd. Okay, well that makes sense, because it's very, very volume. I mean, there's a lot of volume indicators in this.
They're charging you $1,000 for somebody else's platform.
And here you get it for free. 3 accounts, $33. Just saying.
I think you see a lot of it now going on. I think they call it white label platforms.
That's it.
Yeah.
That's so funny. I thought it was the opposite. I thought Volumetrico was piggybacking off deep charts.
I know a lot of people were asking Trades by Matt if he was going to do a platform off of TradingView or something. He said he didn't want to do another white label platform like everybody's doing. He wants to do an actual platform. But, I mean, hell, if you can just get somebody else's platform and slap your own label on it, charge $1,000. Damn.
Yeah, I'm just going to get Volumetrica.
Yeah.
Well, I like the platform. I got to tell you, it's web-based. You just log into your dashboard. You click on it. It's right there. It's not on your desktop. And it works like Platform X.
Reminds me of like a web-based version of Quantower.
And the great thing about it, it's much better than Wealth Charts, because Wealth Charts with the 2-second delay, I mean, everything, all the actions are instant. You click, it's instant. Your orders appear instantly. Your fills appear instantly. So if you're interested, take a look. TaurusArena.com. Help support the channel. Appreciate it.
Also,
we enter y'all's code to get that 3 for 33.
Yeah, it's just use code FLOOR. I think you have to just go to TaurusArena.com. Actually, it's not even 3 for 33. It's
actually 3 or more.
Yeah, it's 3 or more. You can Omnius put in 30, and the bill was $330. So,
wow.
Yeah, that's a good deal.
What is the platform again? Or the
TaurusArena.com.
How you spell that?
Taurus, TAURUS, AR Arena, ARENA.
You sure you got it right?
Yeah, it's on my.
Okay, yeah.
It's up on my screen right now.
Oh, he was cheating.
I'll keep it up there for a bit. In the meantime, while I maybe try and take another trade, and it keeps going long. 153 stop 100.
Yeah, if you don't use the code, it's like $79. Definitely don't do that.
And the code was futures or future?
No, floor actually.
Floor.
Also, even when you do that, it's going to say 24.49. So they're actually not even promoting that code. Just click. Once you click it, click confirm, and then choose your platform. I think you hit confirm again.
We have to indicate the size. You have to change the amount of accounts to 3.
Right. So after you pick your platform, you're going to click confirm again. Then it's going to do all the billing information and stuff. And then you're going to be able to choose quantity. Once you get to 3, it's going to go to $11 a piece. And every one after that's going to be $11 a piece.
And that's for which account?
I just did the 50K. I don't know. Try a different one.
Yeah. It's the 50K.
Just try the 100.
It's called Prime. It's the one with the activation fee.
Got you.
Let's try the 100K. See what it does. 100K, 36.89. Continue. Yeah, nah, it don't work. No.
Damn.
Looks like 50K only. Try the 25K.
There might be something, you know what, let me take a look. There might be something for the higher accounts.
25K is $18. See what we get.
My kid goes for the higher accounts, the 150s and whatever. I always tell him it's ridiculous because you got to make so much more percentage-wise compared to what they give you to lose. It just makes your job so much harder.
No, it's 50K only. Weird because they didn't even like, they're not even promoting it. It's like a hidden deal. They just sent us an email telling us about it. Yeah, so you pick your platform, you're going to click next. They do have more options too. Can raise your drawdown. Something, I don't know. It's where you put in your billing information, change the 1 to a 3 or higher, and it brings them down to $11 a piece.
All right, I got it.
Which platform did you get? The Volumetrica?
Yeah, that is the one that's Volasys.
Yeah, Volsys.
Yeah.
Volumetrica. I use the web one. It'll be right in your dashboard when you log in.
Cool. I got 3 of them.
Does look like an interesting platform.
I like it. Honestly, I like it. For me, the worst one is Wealth Charts. Although they said it's a fantastic platform. No, for me, that's the worst platform. I can't stand clicking the button and waiting a second and a half to see what I clicked appear on the screen. Even the quantity, just change the quantity and you got to wait a second and a half for it to go through. Just in your quantity button, in your quantity input field. It's crazy. Everything, and it's not just one computer. I put it on multiple computers. That's the way it works on all of them. That is frustrating. It's like you're always in the dark, especially when I'm in my trades usually for 7 seconds. I can't afford half of my trade to not even know what size, if the order got filled. Yeah. Okay. Oh, he said he got the 3 already. I was going to say, yeah, the end of day drawdown add-on is 50% off, so it's $9 if you want end of day drawdown. That's a pretty good thing too. Really is.
See a comment from K50. I didn't even show up on the other thing. Oh, weird how sometimes you see comments, sometimes you don't.
Hey, Bama, let me know if you use the trade copier. There's a trade copier with the Volumetrica web.
Yeah.
And I'm curious to see if it's a trade copier or a trade result copier, because I only have one account. I'd be really curious to see if it's a trade result copier, because that's where everyone seems to be going now. It just copies the result, it doesn't copy the trades. It's so much better. You don't have to stress at all.
I doubt
about
it
going out of sync.
That's not a prop firm platform. You know what I mean?
Neither is Project X.
Thought it was.
No, Project X is like it's a company. 20 firms I think are with them now. If you click on the login button, Project X login, you'll see all the firms that use it.
Mm-hmm. Remember there were a while back they was talking about the prop firms communicating together and everything, and Apex was hell no, we ain't doing that. That's
because they're not part of Project X, so they had to come up with something.
In my opinion, that's Project X.
Yeah, no, it is. It is the one. That is Project X. No, it was Top Step that was saying it. It was Top Step that was trying to push that. A self-governing regulatory agency. But yeah, with the Project X people, because I'm sure it's all related. Probably, I think people were saying that allegedly as a part of the company. Who knows? But regardless, well, look at this. We're blasting off, eh? We're at the pivot point right now.
I remember Apex was saying that they were like half the business. Why do they want to work with everybody else? Like, we're half the prop business. Why do we want to work with them?
But I like Project X. I'm a big believer in Project X. But you know what? It's probably like what we're hearing with Trade of 8 Prop, Ninja Prop. Project X is a platform I don't think you can get and use separately. You have to get it, I think, with the prop firm. You know what I mean? Like Ninja Trader, Quant Tower.
You got a ghost behind you.
You can use it separately. Yeah.
Oh man, you could have scared them.
You could have. What's up?
Funny. Bam, after you use that platform for a while, let us know how you like it. So
Give me a second.
get more opinions on that platform.
I like the way it looks so far.
Yeah, looks interesting. Reminds me of Quan Tower. Maybe it's better.
I don't see how to delete a limit.
Like you're placing it on the chart, but how do you get rid of it?
Yeah. It won't let me exit it.
Weird.
I mean, I could have watched the video.
Yeah, right. It was like me there. Drives my wife crazy. She's like, I did come with a video. I'm like, what? So? For what?
We'll just put it way down here for now.
It don't have an X like all the other ones? That's weird.
Okay, now I see it.
Good chip. I'm out. Exit was 253. Figure you were long. Oh no, I haven't been much in the mood to trade today. 100 points. Damn. Get it? Like to see it. And just like I said, right back up to the 25,400. Knew by the time this afternoon came, it spiked back up. All I wanted to do was buy some more stocks. What's up? Damn, Bama, you got that and set it up super fast, didn't you? Anybody think we can get a big crash in the next hour or so? Not likely, huh? No, just to the moon. One day I'm gonna learn how to set limit orders on the stocks I want. You figure out the footprint yet, Bama?
I have not.
Figured that was the first place you was going. Give me the footprint.
Yeah, I just wanted to see some of the basic stuff on it.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna find the footprint this weekend.
I have to go on YouTube and watch some videos about that platform.
Which one?
Volumetrica.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I found one video on it and I watched like half of it. He was showing some basic stuff on it.
Funny thing in that presentation for the deep charts, they didn't even really talk about the charts much. You invite everybody here to tell them about a platform and barely even talk about it.
Yeah, they invited everybody there to sell them some shit.
Yeah. For $1,000 a year. That was crazy.
Was it really $1,000 on that webinar? It wasn't discounted?
Oh, that was a discount.
No, that was a discount.
No kidding.
It was like $800 for 6 months or $1,000 for a year.
No kidding.
The guy was saying that a fair price was around like 5,000 or 6,000 or something.
Easily 100,000.
Yeah, easily.
Yeah.
Easily. A no-brainer. You don't even have to think about it.
Then like they didn't even know a lot of questions. The guy's like, we'll have to get back to you on that. I don't know. Then he kept getting mad because people kept asking about the 15-minute delay. I feel like he could have explained. I feel like he could have explained it a little bit better.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, there's a 15-minute delay because I'm taking the feed from a prop firm, and it's a demo account.
Well, it's just like Ninja Trader and Trading View. I think also you can get 15-minute delay for free.
15-minute delays, yeah. If you don't have an account,
they're not really giving it to you. It's free.
Yeah. So that's what it was. It was just like the basic account, demo account without a subscription to data.
Right.
You would figure he would have splurged for the subscription to data, at least level 1 for $15 for his presentation. Teach his own.
He's like, well, we didn't want you to have to spend more money for the data while you're learning. You just charge $1,000. You don't want to spend more money? I understood it, but I think a lot of the new people didn't understand it.
There's nothing to understand from that. Seriously, if you're going to spend $1,000 on a platform,
I mean the 15-minute
then you're
delay.
not going to. Oh, and then you're not going to spend money for the data. Your platform's useless.
Yeah, I think he was explaining it wrong, and he kept getting mad because people kept asking.
I mean, the level 2 CME is not very expensive. $40 a month.
Yeah, EBOP, OBOP.
Yeah.
Shoebop,
Up. Shoebop, up.
Bop. Bammy, you broke up again.
Oh, sorry.
I'm not laughing at you. I'm laughing at Mike. Laughing at you, Mike. Quit laughing at him.
I'm not laughing at him. I'm laughing at how he's sounding, which is kind of like laughing at him, but in a roundabout way.
I only opened it.
Yeah.
Just keep saying yeah.
Yeah.
The funny part is like it don't just cut out. It like sounds like that Martian guy. I might look at the Martian guy.
Living sticks.
I think it's Marvin the Martian. Marvin. Let's see if it's how I remember it. Nope, I was wrong. Don't sound like that at all.
Oh, you're talking about Rayman?
Yeah.
There was one little alien, though. I don't know who it was, but there was one little alien that sounded like that from one of the cartoons. Like I'm saying, either
Could go with Charlie Brown's teacher. Kind of sounds like that. Try that one.
yeah, that is true. $353 target. It'd be good if it gets there in 1 minute from now. 11:30. Did the 11:30? Oh, we're at 11:40 already.
Yeah, they got music on there. I can't play. Cool, dude. Hello again. Good to see you. Who is more fitness freak? I think Mike. Mike, don't you
I
do
exercised today.
Yeah, don't you bend down and touch your toes like 10 times every morning or something?
Yeah, no, I exercised today. I did 20 minutes on the elliptical and I did some stretching.
Well, good job.
My family gave it to me last night.
Maybe Bama? Bama, you're a fitness freak, ain't you? I don't know what that said, so we'll just say yes.
We'll go with yes. Let's go to Deep Seek. What was the name of the alien? I can't remember on the Flintstones. I can't believe I can't remember. The Great Gazoo. That's it. Tiny green alien. He floated around in a bubble.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, he often referred to Fred and Barney as dum-dums. He was one of the most memorable characters. Yeah,
what's the name? How you spell it?
The Great Gazoo.
The Great Gazoo.
Gazoo.
The
I had to remember. I couldn't go without
G-A what?
Gazoo.
Check it out. Oh. Marshall.
Hmm. Hmm.
Yeah, he sounds weird, but it don't really sound like that either. Recently got David Googlin's fever. I wake up at 4 a.m. Yeah. I generally wake up about 2 or 3 and then try to go back to sleep for a few hours and then fall back asleep for a few hours after a few hours and then... Yeah. Run on the street. Hopefully won't get hit by someone at 4 a.m. Damn. I, however, am not allowed to run anymore.
Well, no,
So I can't.
That's why I do the elliptical. It's this kind of motion, you know. It's not a running. It's low impact.
Mhm.
I love it. I put on what they call a virtual run, where runners go to these nice sceneries with the camera on their head, I put it on the big screen TV. I put the volume up. I can hear their feet tapping on the gravel. I can almost imagine I'm there.
I do, however, have a reflex ball over that way. Weights over that way. So I'll do my weights and I'll beat the shit out of a reflex ball.
Okay, if we're competing, I got a gripper on my desk.
You running just because it elevates the mood. Yeah. I mean, I like running. I can't do it no more.
Yeah, I used to run.
If I start running, like something happens to my foot, and it'll like go numb. I won't be able to walk for like a week or two. So if y'all see me showing up with crutches, probably because me and the kid were racing for 5 seconds. It's literally that fast, yeah. Then my wife gets super mad. She's like, you know better. You know better. You know better. Like, what can you do? You got kids. Every now and then you just got to push one over and take off running. Like every father's got to do that.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's every kid's dream to be faster than their dad and to be taller than their dad.
Yep. My kid's got to work hard because I cheat. Yeah, we was racing one time. It's like, Dad, I bet I can beat you. Like, you can't beat me. You know you can't beat me. Like, I bet you can. I bet you I can. I was like, all right, let's race then. We go to race. We get ready. We got our spot we're racing to. I'm like, all right, you count. He's like, all right, on 3. I'm like, okay. He's like, 1, 2. So I pushed him over and ran. He's like, you cheated. You cheated. Like, I didn't cheat. I never heard any rule that said don't push your opponent over.
That's it. We didn't establish any rules.
That was not in the rules. I did not cheat. Try something else, maybe push-ups, pull-ups. You got it? Oh yeah, cool, dude. I do like I said, I got weights right over there. I do my weights in the morning.
I'm just curious why he's bringing it up. Does it look like we need exercise? Is it that obvious? Is it my extra large sweater? It's okay, guys. You can make fun of me. I love it. I love it.
Some people just like working out. They want to know if other people work out.
Yeah, yeah.
Dad was fit in his 30s. Now he's barely athletic. So, I mean, there's not really a lot of people that's that athletic in their 40s and 50s and 60s. Except for that one guy, the Kennedy guy. Like you see that video where he was like doing pull-ups and like spinning around and like they're like the Democrats are like he's not even in shape, right? And they just got they just had their health secretary or whatever, that one, whatever it was, and they're like telling him that he's not even in shape and he's up there, he's like 70 years old, doing all that stuff. Like, that's freaking unbelievable right there. Dad's like, I gotta die anyways, why not enjoy KFC? Cool, dude. My dad had all kinds of doctors that didn't want him to do anything. And they basically told them all that they could go kick it. And he outlived all their predictions. Eating KFC and drinking soda. A lot of soda. A lot of ice cream. He wasn't even supposed to have salt. Doctor's like, no, you cannot eat ice cream. He said, I'm gonna eat ice cream every day of my life. Doctor's like, okay, well, maybe a tablespoon. He's like, a tablespoon? I mean like half a tub of ice cream. Doctor's like, you mean like a week or a month, right? He's like, no, a day. I'm gonna have my sodas, have my ice cream. I'm gonna do all that. Doctor's like, well, it's your death, whatever. Not only did he live to an old age, he was running around and he got around better than I did. Dude, you need to slow down. In my fridge currently have 8 liters of soda. Yeah, I don't really drink soda that much anymore.
Me neither.
That's something I'm glad I kind of got away from.
Yeah. No, I was cooking supper yesterday, and while it was on the stove, I told my son, watch it. If I'm not back in 30 minutes. He goes, where you going? And my wife screams out from upstairs, to get his liquid fix.
Mm-hmm.
we were out of soda. I couldn't go. I had to get... I've given up a lot of stuff, but I don't want to give up the soda. It's diet anyways, which they also say is bad, but...
Yeah. Now, my dad didn't even drink diet. He drank regular soda, Coca-Cola, all day long.
I'm drinking more water, though, also. I gotten into the water, so it's a trade-off.
Yeah, we had to force my dad to drink water.
I had to force myself to in the beginning.
He's like, I'm not giving up my soda. I'm like, Dad, don't give up. If you don't want to give up your soda, don't give up your soda. But you could at least drink some water with it, you know?
Yep.
So he would drink water, but I mean, we'd have to force him because he had kidney problems and stuff also. So we'd have to force him to like drink enough to matter. But he was very active all the way up into his 90s. He did not like sitting down. He did not like not doing something.
I don't know about you. I don't know about you guys, but I sit in this chair
12
hours a day.
My dad was like 92 out there with a push mower mowing an acre of land. Like, dude, you gotta calm down. It's freaking 105 degrees out here. We'll take a break. I told him, I said, Dad, they don't make them like they used to. He's like, what? I'm like, people. We weren't built like y'all were. Like the minimalist lifestyle, the fewer things you own, the fewer things you worry about. I agree with that. I like it simple. Yeah, I think the key is to kind of limit things like soda and stuff, but I think what's more important that so many people miss is that you kind of got to stay active, which is hard for me, but I don't know. I try. What can you do?
But I like what he said. The fewer things you own, the fewer things to worry about.
Mm-hmm.
We all have way too much stuff. A good long again. Right here, or you got in? You got a good long. Lower down. Maybe 25, 175, 180, maybe somewhere around there. Got back in at 196. Wow. That's a good amount of points.
Cool, dude.
Yeah, I remember.
What other kind of workouts you do? You like lift weights or any kind of boxing stuff? I've heard them say that sitting in front of a computer all day is worse than smoking. I go out for walks. Go walk to the bus stop, get the kids, do the weights. Coding and boxing is the only thing I do. I gotta learn the boxing because I can't run. Somebody's trying to beat me up at the grocery store or something. I gotta be able to knock them out. I can't run, so either I win or they win.
There you go.
It's rigged wood chip. Rigged.
Hey, I have a new one, wood chip. Hold on. Let me bring it up. Let me take a break.
Bama, we heard you talking, but it was wasn't coming through.
I'm not gonna hook it up.
Cool, dude. I don't really worry about people having guns. I mean, I live in Florida. A lot of people have guns. They're pretty much everywhere. Generally, somebody with a gun's not trying to attack you. It's generally the people that don't have a gun.
There you go, wood chip. It's a new beat the dealer. Now it's not fixed. Eventually it'll be set up where you guys can type in, but just you tell me what tile to pick. Hold on, let's get it there. Stretch it out a bit. Pick a tile, any tile. Beat your algo, wood chip, dealer 98.
Thought you had it working.
No, this is beat the dealer too, where you type in
okay.
Deal me in, show ICT. Right? ICT, okay, this is Omnius. Omnius 85, dealer 11. You see?
Yeah.
Wood chip, pick the gap tile. Hold on, we gotta reset it. I don't even have a reset button yet.
Cool, dude. I try to avoid trouble.
There's no gap button on this one. Pick another one.
I try to avoid trouble, but I got kids also. Somebody's gonna mess with my kids or my family. They're gonna have trouble.
Yeah, wood chip. There's no gap on the. It's one player at a time. You got to pick another tile. Not yet automated where you can type it in. Takes up too much space. I got to make it just small on the top, a little banner.
Cool, dude. You from the States? I think you said you was from the U.S., right? I feel like I tend to assume people are from the States, but we get people from all over the world.
Alpha 84. Hey, see? Isn't it better when you pick your own numbers? 59. You winner. Ding, 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 ding. $49. Gotta trade at 49. I'll get in a few points better if I can. 46.
Yes, term stay dangerous. Stayed with me from high school. Yeah. And from the States. Okay.
What are we targeting here? 50.
Yeah, we get some people from Korea. One guy from South Africa. Canada. Mike's from Canada, actually.
Another winner. See? Better game.
Ah, it's still rigged.
Oh. Yeah, it's rigged. I coded it so the player never loses. Come on, let's get up to 56. How about 55? I'll take 55. 43 to 55, 12 points. Long. I picked breakout long. Come on, go down. 15. I think you won again. Cool, dude. This is Beat the Dealer game, version 2. I don't know if you used to play version 1. You can still play version 1 in the chat. You just type in deal me in. You just go deal me in, and you get to play the dealer. But it's all automatic. You don't get to pick anything. See, it just runs. Dealer draws 88. I drew 5, I lose. So now I made one where you actually get to pick your tile. Oh, come on. You're going against me again. It's just one of those damn days, eh?
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled. I heard it.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Yeah, I gotta get out. Cool dude, deal me in. There you go. Dealer draws 75. 80. You pull off a win. You have 1,328 chips.
Ah, beginner's
forget.
luck.
Don't forget you can spend them in the Futures Floor online store that's closed due to bankruptcy. Eventually we'll have something going. But Beat the Dealer's better. Beat the Dealer too. You get to pick your chip. Cool dude. 19. Look at that. Another winner. Wah, wah, wah.
Mike, what's for lunch?
What? Fix exit. I don't know. For me, cottage cheese. Wow, wood chip. And cool dude. Both of you are really crushing it.
Cottage cheese again?
Oh, yeah. Cottage cheese now every day. Protein. I need more protein.
Maybe I'll ask the girl. I feel like she'll say pizza.
I do like butter chicken. Not called Panner over here though. Here it's called Michael. What's his name? Michael Patak. It's Patak. Okay. Oh, okay. So you're saying Panner butter masala.
Michael Patak, isn't that the guy from Top Step?
Yeah, but there's a Patak. There's a company called Patak. They were talking about it on the show. Even there's a Patak butter chicken sauce. Well, they sell a whole bunch of sauces. The masala sauce. They sell all the sauces. But yeah, they were talking about this thing. Any relation? No. 81, 80. Cool. Patel. Is it Patel? It's not Patak? No, I think it's Patak. P-A-T-A-K. Google it. Let me Google it. Might take away the screen.
All right, I'll be back in a sec.
Yeah, it's taken away. So give me just a second. The Indian Sauce Company. It's Patak. Patak, the sauce company. LG and Mina Patak. But they kept the H out of the name. Patel Brothers. That's a grocery store chain. So much better than order flow. Is there an order flow? 13. Watch you win this one too. 18 close.
Hello, hello.
Hello. Now you get quicker response time.
What's happening?
And the pronounce it as patak. Patak. Nothing. It is what you see. Trading, scalping, not doing anything. I'm treading water.
Playing that 15-minute setup. That was my entry.
Five now. Okay, let's close beat the dealer. 15-minute. It gives wide stops. What's the stop on a day like today on a 15-minute chart? It's got to be, well, now we're only at 16 ATR, so it's a little tighter, but still it's got to be.
Oh, no, I was just using the 15-minute as the initial setup.
Okay.
I said earlier in the chat I was going to wait and I didn't, and then I got roasted, and then it did exactly what I was waiting for, which was tap into that 15-minute fair value gap.
Isn't it crazy how the market does that to us?
Well, I didn't wait for what I said.
Yeah, exactly. That's what I'm saying. Isn't it crazy how the market does that to us?
No, it's not the market. It's my own discipline.
The market taunts us like you know you want
It
to.
does. Every time I make a poor decision like that, it was like I just should have stuck to my plan. That's
Yeah,
what
exactly.
I mean, you know, you break your plan, and the market is ruthless. I do agree. Sometimes I believe we live in a simulation, just because of what the market does. Like, there's no way. There's no way it just did what it just did. I mean, I don't mean right now, but so many times I catch myself saying that. But I also would say if I always stuck to my plan, it would be so much more rarer that I'd be saying that. It's only when I just deviate from my plan that I find myself saying that a lot. Like taking a scalp counter to what my setups are showing me. So I'll call it a counter trend scalp, and it's like it just doesn't go. It doesn't go. It doesn't go. It doesn't. There's no way these can't be going. But yeah, they're not supposed to be going. They're going to be shallow. The runs are going to be in the direction of the current short-term trend that I'm tracking. But yet I get stubborn. I'm trying for that 1 in 5 trade where it's actually going to run a little bit lower.
And the bad part is it gets you, and then you want to do it again and again and again.
That's what I did today. That's why I said I've been up and down and up and down and up and down. I think I made my money in the first 15 minutes on this account. Yeah. And now it's been 2 hours of just going up and down and up and down, and they're probably looking at me down there if they're watching, and there's, what is he doing? Why doesn't he just stop? Because I'm not at my high water mark. It is a simulation.
Bama, gotta go, fellas. Have a good weekend. Bama, have a good weekend.
Yeah, cool.
Appreciate
dude.
you
I
for
can't
hanging
tell
out.
you how much I honestly think we're in a simulation. I talked to my daughter about that too. As crazy it is. Bama, have a good weekend. We'll see you next week, hopefully. Take care.
I don't know if we're gonna see him next week. He says he's starting a new job.
Yeah. No. Thanks for hanging out.
We'll either see you in the Discord or something on the evening stream. Good luck at the new job.
really trading sideways here, eh? Since 11:15 though, 258, 200. But
Yeah, that's why I'm looking at the 15. This
Who
is
got
gonna
a-
go now.
Who got a new job? Bama got a new job.
We're gonna go 100 points right now.
100 points up. Oh, I want to go down.
Yep.
353.
No, it's not going down.
No,
I don't think.
No, I'm not saying it's going
I
down. I
think
said I
that-
want it to go down.
Well,
I want to buy more stocks, and I
Hmm.
didn't get opportunity to this morning, and we went up freaking 600 points,
Yeah, I am amazed.
700
That was a
points. No, I see somewhere around the 400 coming.
That would be the 353.
Yep.
yeah, that's just the bottom. That's just the bottom of the daily fair value gap. It's pretty simple, kind of silly.
Did the same thing it did to me last Friday. Last Friday again. How ironic. Yeah, whatever.
Well, I could be wrong. It doesn't look like a daily fair value gap. What is it?
Mike, only I could be not happy about all my stocks going up.
Oh, it is.
That's a good problem to have.
Roll
That's all
my
I'm
stop.
gonna say.
I wanted more. That's the spot. I wanted to buy more. Can't really do it pre-market. I mean, I could, but it's difficult.
Yeah, cool, dude. There are some companies, I think, especially in forex, I think they have to show the statistics on their website, and now it's starting to appear in the futures also. Top Step on the bottom of their page shows the statistics of how many people purchased accounts, how many people made it to the XFA, the combine, how many people went to live, and the numbers are astoundingly low. I know some people like to say 90%, 80%. Some people fail. So 10% succeed, 20%. I've seen even some people say 30. It seems to be way less than 10%. Way less than 10%.
So it's about 80 to 90% that fail.
Entry right there.
I'd say 90. It's 90. It's higher than 90. I'm sorry to say it's higher than 90.
I think it's higher than 90.
It's higher than 90.
I think it's lower than 90. I think it's somewhere in the 80s. But then I would also say that something like 85% of businesses fail.
Mm-hmm.
So does that mean you don't start a business? Because there's a lot of great businesses out there. And at the same time in that statistic is a lot of people are going to try trading and they're going to quit a week later. So, okay, they're part of that 90%.
Yeah, well, it depends on how you define. See, we don't know what they define as fail. Does that mean you lost everything in your account? Does that mean...
Then you got some
do they
people that's just not cut out for trading at all. They try it for a few weeks and give up. So they're part of that 90%.
I just added.
Oh, great. Wait.
This should go now. 70 points higher.
And then most people refuse to have any kind of strategy. So I think that's the biggest problem. If you can't tell somebody your strategy, then you're kind of setting yourself up to lose.
What kind of accounts are you guys trading today? Size-wise, are they 50Ks, 25?
Yeah, 50Ks.
I only do 50Ks. Yeah.
I try to stick with the
Oh.
50Ks.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
I don't know how people keep up with all the different size accounts, different companies. You got all the different rules, different everything.
Yeah, Tradeify has almost no rules other than the 35% consistency rule, which is pretty good. 35 is way better than 20 or 30 that other props offer.
Mm.
Yeah.
I think Top Step is 50.
Haven't really looked in the Tradeify.
Yeah, me neither. I don't think I ever had an account with them.
I don't hear much about them.
You should do one. I mean, they have an automatic journal that you get lots of data that you can cycle through, like how many trades you take that last a minute versus 5 minutes versus 10.
Okay. Well, a lot of the companies have that now.
I think my
What time of day you have the most
average
trades,
would be under a
all that
minute.
stuff.
My average is under a minute. I was with MFFU. They had that. I was seriously under a minute.
You come all the way back down now.
Over 90 million in
Trading.
verified payout.
Trading has become so easy. So, yeah, easy access. Everyone tries it out. Yep, exactly. And everyone sold the dream that it's easy. You just click a button. But there's so much more to it.
Yep, and it's fun when you're right.
Mm.
You get that dopamine hit.
Choose account. Lightning, growth, or advanced. I don't know what any of that means.
Go with growth. Go with lightning growth.
Oh, wow,
Oh
there-
no, Lightning is instant funded, I think. It's very expensive.
Yeah, I was about to say it's like $400.
Yeah.
It's not competitively priced.
Maybe there's a reason I ain't never tried them.
But until Apex is dropped to $40 activation, which they're still holding.
No, are they really? I thought it ended on Wednesday.
No, it's still active because I activated a funded on Friday, and
Kidding.
oh, wait a second, that was last week. Oh, maybe it ended. I don't know. They said it was going to end, and then they extended it.
Yeah, well, my son activated some accounts on Wednesday at $40.
Yeah, it's a pretty sweet deal.
Yeah.
So then,
I think he did 5, so he said he saved himself like $500 almost.
yeah. So with Tradeify, you can do is it the growth or the advanced? Growth
So it
advanced?
looks
I don't know.
like the advanced you can get for $48 a month.
Oh, okay, that's the entry level. But if you're pretty sure you're going to pass the account, it includes activation. So it's only,
No, not this one.
I think it's like $95 or less.
I don't see one
I'm
that says
starting
that.
to see some. I'm starting to see some really good deals
Okay.
on accounts that include
Alright.
the activation that are like under $100.
Yeah, you're talking about the growth account then. Yeah. The 97 a month, that includes activation.
Yep.
Well, that's not bad if you think you can jump in there and pass it. But you only get $1,200 a drawdown. Or no, daily
No,
drawdown.
that's
No.
just
Oh, it's
like
a daily.
what is
Whatever.
it? 1250.
I read that wrong. Yeah, that's daily drawdown.
Yeah, 1250.
You do get a trailing drawdown of 2,000. Okay, I read that wrong. Sorry about that.
Yeah, it's less than what Apex gives you, but
Well, this says end of day. So if it's end of day, I mean, that's worth it.
that's the better part of it. Yeah, you don't get the intraday. Like if you have a trade go up and go against you,
That's actually not
It doesn't-
bad. You get the
it's
end
not
of
bad.
day, and if you pass, no activation fee for $97. It's not bad at all.
Yeah.
Yeah, for Trade of 8, Ninja Trader Prop, Project X.
I think I've done.
One tower.
I've done like I think I've done 5 or 4, and I have 2 fundeds with Tradeify. I think I might have done 5 in the last like 6 months. But
You
once
did
you get
5?
above,
So you did
once
5
you get
and passed
above,
4?
No, I passed. Well, I passed 3, and I failed one of them already, so I only have 2. But it was across 6 months, so it's not bad. Because once you get above 500, then you basically have an Apex account with $2,500 drawdown. So, because there's no trailing drawdown, it's end of day. So as long as each day you're consistent, then you're fine. You could be down like $600 and get it back to break even, and they count it as 0, like you're at 0 balance or whatever. It's pretty good. Way better than Apex, in my opinion. But I still have Apex, just one funded.
Well, I love Apex. You know, I always say it, but they are becoming a little uncompetitive lately compared to what the offers that are coming out.
Well, dropping to $40 for activation.
That was, finally,
was a really good move for them. They used to do like 105 monthly or 85 or something.
85. Even 85 is good though.
So Tradify says
you're paying 35, so you're in at 120.
Tradify says
or
4
130,
payouts, and they move you to live.
Whatever it is.
So whatever, I guess whatever payout you get, and you get 4 payouts, and then you move to live.
Yeah,
on Tradify? Yeah,
that's what it says.
They're all doing that now, between 3 and 6. And then you go live and you make $1 million like Lanto or Santo.
Did you do it live?
Yeah.
Really?
Lanto and Jade Cap and Brian Stonk and all the heavy hitters.
Futures floor.
Futures floor.
Don't
That's
laugh. Or you can laugh only after I laugh first.
I don't know. I don't know what your history is, so.
It ain't $1 million.
Yeah, $1 million.
It ain't bad, but it ain't $1 million.
Yeah.
Give me something to shoot for.
But you know,
you can always dream.
A lot of those guys doing stuff like that, they've been trading 30, 40 years. Or they got mentors, good mentors. I like to see it because, I mean, if they can do it, the rest of us can do it too.
In theory, yes.
Everybody always hates on people like that. It's like, why are you hating? They're proving to you that you can do it.
This should flip. This should flip and go. Right at 12:30.
Oh my God, is it that late already?
We only need 8 minutes for the flip. It might start ahead of it though. Got the 15-minute handshake. That's what I call it.
Yeah, always like 5-10 minutes before and.
No, but the 15-minute handshake is the fair value gap that breaks a previous high, which it did. It broke Thursday at 12:30.
Okay.
And here we are at 12:30, and closed above. It retraced in almost exactly 50%, and now it's been taking off. And this candle right now wicked down and hand shook with the one that also hit the 50% at the handshake. It's a good trade. I take it all the time.
You got the handshake trade?
Yeah, when the wick hits the other wick, and especially if the wick it's hitting, that candle on the 15-minute hit the 15-minute fair value gap perfect and rejected and went higher after we closed above the Thursday 12:30. Yeah, I take that all the time. And, sometimes it's wrong. Could be wrong. Coming back.
Well, I mean, sometimes every strategy's wrong.
You just have to have your strategy that you can see all the time, and then just keep doing it. And if it doesn't work, after months of trying it, then do something else, but don't switch all the time from different things that you might know about.
Exactly. I always say pick one you like, pick one you find interesting, and learn to make it work. Because if you like the strategy, you're going to put more effort into it. If it's like some people trade strategies they don't even like, and then they wonder why it don't work. Like, well, why are you trading that strategy? Find one you like. They just have somebody told them that it's a great strategy, so they want to try to make that strategy work. Every strategy can work,
Yes.
and every strategy can't work. It all depends on the trader.
Well, no one likes a strategy that doesn't work immediately, and so they usually switch to a different strategy, which is kind of the problem, I think. I did it for years. So.
Well, I mean, we all do it when we're new because we don't know different strategies. That's the only way. I always hate it when they tell new people, like, pick a strategy and stick to it. How do they know it's the one they like? I would say pick one, stick to it, but then have other ones that you kind of work on. How else would you know what you like?
Yeah.
Does that work in marriage?
Yeah. It's called dating. Right?
No, he said marriage.
It is. Yeah, it's in marriage.
I
How
mean-
would I know that I love you?
Well, most people don't go
Yeah.
out and get married and then start dating. I mean,
Yeah.
most people date at least for a little while. Then they know if they like the person and move from there.
Roll over here.
Plus, you got to work on your strategy. So many people want a strategy, but they don't want to work with it. Get a strategy, back test it. Once you start getting an idea of how well it works and what conditions it works in and what conditions it don't, then you know your strategy better. And when you lose, you're not as scared of losing.
Yeah.
I know that my strategy is not a very good range strategy. It's more of a trend following. When we get tight range days, I know to either size down or not to trade so much.
Gotta survive the next 3 minutes.
Next 3 minutes. What's the next 3 minutes?
Oh, it's the half hour changeover.
Oh, yeah.
Every half hour is typically something. You go and look back through any chart. It's either on the hour or the half hour that you get a reversal. I thought I had it set up, but I guess I don't. It's failing right now.
Ouch. Well, someone's eating a good lunch here, and it smells really good. It's making my stomach rumble.
Yeah, I'm hungry. What? You hungry too, ain't you?
Mm.
You gonna say hi?
Hi!
Aye! Scared me.
Where's Sparky when we need him?
Yeah. Sparky is meowing all day long now for cookies. He doesn't stop. Sparky's gone
Like-
cookie nuts. I feed
I
him
like
way
the-
too much.
Consecutive meows were always
Yeah.
good long.
Oh, well, he's given a ton of them. You just don't hear him. He doesn't stop now.
Lost it. You broke it.
All right. We're okay. 1 minute.
What do you want to do? You want to sing a song?
25 seconds.
No.
You're not going to sing a song?
Launchpad.
Hold it.
Hi. Hi.
Sing me a Christmas song
No.
Tell
by
me you
Burl
only,
Ives.
tell me you only sing K-pop.
I do not.
was gonna I was just gonna ask if.
She's a K-pop girl.
Yeah, so is my daughter.
See? What's your favorite K-pop
Okay.
song?
I'm trying to remember what the words are that she keeps singing.
Something about up for the moment.
6, 7.
Well, you're not telling me.
And I really know like 100.
Don't tell me I'm doing it wrong. Tell me how to do it right. God, everybody's a critic. I hear you singing.
Oh,
I'm
that's
singing
what
now.
it. That's
I'm
what it
humming.
is, or something like that. That's how. Shoot, I've almost remembered the lyric. This is not. This is how we do it. This is. What's the lyric?
What's
Come
the
on.
lyric? He's asking you. I don't know it.
That is. This is it, or that's. What is it?
That's the way. I like it.
No,
Yeah, see, that's
it's
more.
not that.
It's more my
This is
generation.
This is how we do it, baby.
It's not that.
He's asking you. Tell him.
Oh,
Don't be rude.
this is what it sounds like. Is that it?
Ah, she's shaking her head. Yes.
Oh, I got it.
Mm.
And this is what it sounds like.
Why are you not singing it? You gonna let him out sing you all day long? Sing, 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 sing. Get on the mic. Nothing.
This is what it sounds like. It's very close. Yeah, it's very similar. That's why I couldn't think of it, because I got a block in my brain.
All right.
So
Well,
you want to
if
see?
you're not talking, then go. You talking or not? All right. Well, if you're not talking, then go. Watch TV. We'll put you in a headlock and give you a noogie.
A noogie. Wow, I haven't heard that word since
Remember that one time I slammed you over there and you hit
since
your head
high
on the
school.
chair? How? Just beating me.
A noogie and a wedgie. There's 2 words for you.
All right. Well, hold on. Hold on. Love you. Be there in a few minutes for. What? Steal my toy, you freaking thief. Is that Woodchip singing?
Maybe.
Getting it, isn't he? Uh-oh, gonna get in trouble.
Yeah, I had to turn it off.
Uh-oh.
I found the harmony, blah, 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 blah. And this is what it sounds like.
I don't know
I'm
how
so
long.
curious if they're gonna pick that up.
I don't know how long it
So-
played for.
No,
It was so
No, I
quiet
don't-
in the background.
I don't think so. I forgot about that. Sorry.
Oh, no problem. Doesn't matter. You just clip,
I
cut
didn't-
out, or what's the word they dub it out or something?
Yeah.
I didn't think it was going to pick up. And
I thought it was you singing at first. I was like, is that Woodchip
Yeah, I
singing?
did too.
I was like, man, he's getting it.
Re.
didn't get me yet. It wants to, though.
Mike, how long you hanging out for?
I don't know. My wife has been messaging me like pretty enthusiastically.
Is that a good thing or a
That's
bad
good.
thing? You hiding from her?
I don't know. She just wants to see when I'm coming up, and I guess she cooked something for lunch. That's what I'm smelling. So I guess she wants to know if I want to eat.
Oh man, tell her I want some too.
Mm.
I don't know what you can do with cottage cheese, but maybe she made something really good.
Some chicken curry, maybe.
Yeah, maybe we should call it a.
I do got that chicken pie my grandma brought me yesterday.
Okay, survived. This should go now. Let's go. Or
To the
it doesn't.
moon?
I wanted to see 353, but
Yeah. I think last
it might
Friday.
not happen.
I think last Friday this area we pushed up to. No, we already passed last Friday. Last Friday stopped at 233. And then Monday had this huge gap. Or Sunday. Sunday had a huge gap. We're actually back to that gap now. You see that? That. We're actually in that daily gap from last week. Might just bounce around this area.
Yeah, let's look what it's doing.
Yeah, I'm hungry.
We call it quits.
Yeah, I'm ready. Need some food.
Okay.
Plus my daughter's home, so
Yeah.
just slam her on the couch a couple times. Do a body slam. Y'all like the body slam method or like the spin slam?
Do the spin slam. Get him
Yeah.
dizzy first.
She don't get dizzy.
No.
I get dizzy. She don't get dizzy. I had this girl in a swing.
Okay.
I had her in a swing last weekend. One of the ones that hang from a tree, the round swings.
Yeah.
I got her like flying all over the place, spinning around 1,000 miles per hour. Again. Yeah, we did it nonstop for like 20 minutes.
But then did she walk?
Yeah, just fine.
Did you get her off the swing and see if she walked straight?
Just fine.
Hmm.
I don't think she gets dizzy.
Yeah, that's funny. My daughter hasn't gotten dizzy either.
I don't think kids get dizzy like adults do.
Yeah,
Maybe
it's
not.
air in our ears.
This should be it. You guys always close stream right when the move happens.
I blame Mike.
Not always, because I'm never watching. I'm like hardly. I'm hardly watching anymore because I'm working. But it's a Friday, so I'm here. I'm here for you guys.
You at work?
Yeah,
You at work now?
yeah. This should do it right here. You got a good 15-minute move.
At full port long.
I would, if you have an eval. Yeah, for sure.
I think I blew my
It's a 40 point stop.
shot. Delta looks nice.
Hey,
There you go. Taking it for the 10 points.
good job. I didn't jump.
Hey, full port is not taking it for 10 points. It's holding it.
I can't hold for
letting
shit.
it go.
Wood chip, you ain't learned by now. I can't hold for shit. I'm not a holder.
You're a folder. There's holders and folders.
Holders and I'm a folder.
It's not bad taking profit. No one ever lost taking profit.
Wow, Bullinock's still 75%. Hey, they're hanging tough.
Yeah, I just looked at that a little bit ago. That's weird. They don't want to give us a deal.
Mm,
Especially with all the other great deals out there. So many great deals right now.
Yeah.
How much is
really
how much
surprised.
is Bull Knox?
It's like 73% off. It's
75? Yeah.
yeah, they could do better than that.
$75?
No,
No,
percent
75
off.
off. So what's that?
So what does it
Probably 15, 30. Probably $37.
That's not bad. And then what's the activation?
145.
Usually, what is it? Is it 130, 140?
It's like
145?
145 or something like that.
Really?
Wow, that's more than Apex.
I mean,
Yeah,
That's
they're
more than
they're just-
Tradeify if you just do the growth account.
Quiet little firm that sits in the background, doesn't make you splash, doesn't make any noise. They just run their business. And
I mean, they give discounts all the time, so can't really complain. But just right now, I don't think they'd be the better option. Especially you got day traders; they still got that $37. You only pay one time,
one time, yeah, that's pretty good.
and then the activation's 130. So you can buy an account for $37, and then if it takes you 5 months to pass, you only paid $37, and then you paid a 130 activation. I think that's probably one of the better deals right now. I guess the Apex y'all were saying was really good. Well, that Tradeify deal sounded pretty good. The the Taurus deal, you can't beat that one right now.
Yeah, that's a good deal.
Buy 3 accounts, you get them $11 a piece. I don't know what the activation is.
119.
119. So I mean, you can't beat that.
Yeah, you really can't. I'm not a fan of Take Profit Trader with their, oh, it's only $89, no activation. Yeah, but, 90% of people are past failing the eval. That's not a good deal. You got to run the math on that. You got to figure out what your average is.
Yeah, but the Taurus, I
Yeah.
mean, $11, and then you pass 119, so all in 129.
Well, that's it. You want to pay up front as little as possible. You don't want to pay a lot up front.
And you can get 3 of them, $11 a piece. So I mean, if you blow 2, you're still in cheaper than most of the other companies.
I'm out of the long.
Yeah, you are right, eh? Low 2, pass 1.
And you can get more than 3. Hell, get 5 of them, $55. You can full pour it all day long. $55.
What was your full port trade? Did you go max size or?
Me? I didn't full pour it today. I was just
Oh, I
joking.
thought you just did.
No, I was just joking. No, I took what I take, either 4 or 5 contracts. MNQ.
NQ?
No,
Minis?
MNQ.
Oh, okay.
I don't like trading all that size. I like to keep my stuff as consistent as possible.
Me too.
Yeah, I just do 1 and 2 micros.
I said me too. I'm looking at the screen to see if Omnius starts laughing.
Yeah, I did 4
I mean,
4
I
contracts
don't know if you heard me.
about the Me Too movement.
No. When I said me too, you said you like to keep things consistent with the sizing, and I said me too. Then I'm looking to see if you start laughing.
I don't understand. Whenever
Well,
I
I'm not consistent with my sizing. That's why I
Oh,
can't say me too to that.
I don't know what size you trade.
Mm.
I talk to
You
you.
can see it on the
I
screen.
talk to you all day long, but the screen's over there, but I barely look at it.
Yeah.
He likes 20.
A10 now.
20
I
contracts.
should be doing. What should I be doing? I should be doing 2s and 3s.
Now, I like mine consistent because then I know, like, hey, I took 1 loss or 2 losses. Where am I at? Because I also don't even look at like the money value. I got everything in points. And then like
That's
I
the
just
best
kind
way.
of guess like where I'm at on the day. And every now and then I'll flip over, look at like where it's at. I don't like watching a trade and seeing it's up or down $100, $200, $300. Tell me in points. I think that's why so many people get so emotional about trades. Look at a trade. Oh man, I'm down $500. Well,
Yeah, that's an idea. You know what? Maybe I should try that next week. Trade a consistent size and only look at the points. See what that does for me. I did that once. I liked it.
I like it. I've traded like that for a long time now. I mean, if I take a couple losses, then I look at it, say, "Oh, I'm down $400. Maybe I should quit for the day." Other than that, why even look at it? Sometimes I take a couple wins in a row and I look at it like, damn, I'm up $600 on the day. I gotta quit.
Yeah, it's not bad. I mean, if you have a 50K, you want like 250 a day.
Yeah.
Would be optimal.
250 a day on a 50K. That's great.
Yeah, that's optimal.
I mean, it's not that hard to get. I mean, it's really a couple trades, 10, 20 points at a time, and you'll be surprised. Like, damn, already $300.
Mm.
Doesn't take that much. Also, I like that I can take a loser or two in a row, and then one or two trades, I'm right back in the green. I guess I kind of lied though. I'm not really that consistent because I do size down. I generally don't size up. I will size down. So like, if I'm up quite a bit on the day or something, I might size down. Or if the volatility is really high, I might size down. Or if I'm taking a trade that I don't normally take, I'll size down. That makes sense. Like sometimes I'll take a reversal trade and I'll say, you know what, I'm gonna take it, but I'm gonna size down. Go one lot.
Yeah, for risk management, I usually cut the trade in half if I have a loser. So if I was at 2, then now I'm at 1 until I make at least half of the loss back.
Yeah. Things like that just keep you in the game longer. Give you that opportunity to make it back.
This is dumping, I guess.
Mm.
Like you
Let's go
fading
down
wood chip?
to- Well, I don't know. Is he long? I don't think he's long.
No, no. I gave back a good amount. I was up 340 and now I'm only up 140, 135. Not good. And that's with small size.
Yeah, because the volatility is so high.
Yep. Each day is different, so today was like a 1 micro day, but I pushed it a little to 2 and succeeded, but then I kept it at 2 and gave back
No, are you just trading one account or do you copy trade also?
I don't copy trade. So I had two other accounts this morning. One's at 253 for the day, and the other's at, I think, 197. And then the one I was currently trading, I didn't trade at all until late morning, and it's up 134. So I'm not in terrible shape. Didn't go red.
95.
Not bad for a Friday.
Yeah.
Oh,
And
is
the
it?
Apex accounts, I stopped trading the Apex because those have trailing drawdowns. So as soon as those were up 250 and 197, I was like, that's it. I'm not going to mess with them. And then the Tradeify it has end of day trailing, and I'm up 134. So it doesn't hurt me by being up. Even though I was up more, right? It was up 300 more or something. You just have to remember what account you're trading. The hard part.
Look at this move.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Got under 200 pretty easily.
There a volume drop?
And
I lower
What's
my
that mean?
large trade indicator yet?
15 minutes, super heavy. But this could just be a trap to go back up.
Could be. Maybe if we
Look
break
on
the
the
low
30
at
minute.
176, hold it.
Wow.
Maybe that'll confirm a little bit better.
Kind of fell
Yeah,
off.
we did
the
break the
very
low.
level.
Well, if you look at the 5 minute or the 30 minute, you get a completely different perspective, especially the 5 minute. 5 minute, it's strong. We're over the Globex Open. We're over not the session highs, but all the highs that we were able to make until the markets opened at 9:30.
Yeah, but
high, which was 54.
this push down's a bit strong also. Got a gap. We're breaking a previous gap. We broke the low, broke another low. We're breaking a lot of structure on the 5 minute. Thing is, can it hold? I would look for a push up and then continuation down.
Well, we got down to 25,160, eh? Now we're back up to 25,200.
Let's try one more long.
Yeah, do you have a pretty big push up from that area?
Fairly low risk.
I think this was the
But
overnight.
it's one micro. It's 50-point risk. My stop has to be down at 152.
I think this is the overnight high. Came down to the overnight high and pushed up.
Yeah. That's what it did.
Nice bullish engulfing candle. Mike, it's funny. You know how my other chart runs on a different time?
Yeah.
So every time today on the one chart, on the 2 minute chart, I get a bullish engulfing, but on the other 2 minute chart, I get a morning star. Crazy to see how
Yeah.
those two patterns.
That's another reason why I like the Renko charts, because you don't get that. It's consistent. You know, I always said, depending on what time frame you're looking at, and depending on where you cut it, you know, you get a different pattern. Even though it's a minute bar, if you cut it on the half a minute or at the 50-second mark, it's a different pattern. So I said, you know what? Yeah, you can use them. Look, you can use everything to frame a trade, but you do get different patterns depending on where you cut the minute.
Just kind of shows you like how related the bullish engulfing and the Morningstar pattern are.
Yeah, I want to see us push down to 93.
Yep. Every time the one chart's gives kind of a Morningstar. Some people would argue about it. Whatever. I just call them all the Morningstar. I never understood that 10 different names for patterns that are pretty much identical.
Well, consequent encroachment.
Yeah, right.
Everyone wants to rename their stuff, make it their own. We have a pattern now. It's called the Great Gazoo.
Mm-hmm.
The Great Gazoo.
The Great Gazoo. That was a little alien on the Flintstones. You remember him?
No.
Mm.
I didn't remember him either until Mike said so, and I had to look him up.
Bama was here and his voice was warbling because he was on his cell phone. We were just trying to figure out which alien he sounds like. The alien from Bugs Bunny, the alien from the Flintstones. But I couldn't remember the name.
Yeah, I was going with Marvin the Martian.
Marvin the Muffin.
Why do I remember that one, but I don't remember the other one? I used to watch the Flintstones all the time. Weird.
It was that one wasn't on the tip of my tongue. It wasn't nothing.
Must be the Mandela effect.
Yeah. Gazoo! I remember they were calling him. They used to call him, and he used to form. He would appear. Do they even still have cartoons? I guess they do. They're probably
I don't know.
shitty, not like the Flintstones.
I don't hear any kids talk about cartoons anymore. Everybody's on YouTube.
All the old cartoons are too violent for kids nowadays.
Yeah. To be honest, though, I try to get my kids to watch some of those old cartoons. Man, those fuckers were violent, weren't they?
Yeah.
Yeah, the one guy walking around with the two guns shooting everybody. Nowadays, they can't even say gun in school. They'll get arrested.
I think you're talking about Yosemite Sam, right?
Yeah.
That looks funny.
Or Wile E. Coyote.
That was a good laugh. Yeah, Wile E.
Coyote.
Coyote Roadrunner.
Or the cat and the mouse always getting beat up. The dog grabbing the cat and smashing his head in. Like, dang, Dad, these things are really violent. Like, oh shit, I guess they are. I didn't remember that. It was normal back in my day. Then again, we all had cap guns and BB guns and all kinds of stuff.
Yeah.
We seen the kids playing with a water gun the other day. It's like, whoa, put that down. Cop might drive by and shoot you.
No, it's a crazy world we live in now. I don't know if I said it before, but when I was growing up with my parents and I was preteen, 8, 9, 10 years old, we used to sleep with our door not unlocked, open. And it wasn't just us. Everyone on the block slept with their door open. Open! In the summer, obviously. We didn't have air conditioning and we thought nothing of it. Everybody. Doors were open, windows were open through the night. I think it's only later we realized what's going on in the world and said, well, maybe this isn't a good idea.
Yeah,
We had a screen door on your front door?
No. We had a
What about
dog. It would
mosquitoes?
walk in and out. I don't know. Don't ask me. Ask my parents.
We had a while there where all the local kids were getting arrested for gun stuff. Like the sheriff was bragging about it. Like, oh, I arrested this kid for terroristic threats at school. And then you find out the kid was like looking up how to say gun in Spanish. Like you arrested a 8-year-old for terroristic threats because he was looking up how to say gun in Spanish. You feel good about that? Or another one talking about Fortnite on the bus, talking about shooting his friend in Fortnite and getting arrested.
Yeah, it's already a little excessive.
I gotta tell my son, I'm like, son, these people are fucking crazy, okay? You gotta be careful.
Okay. Another hourly changeover. Where are we going? Straight down?
Okay, my ass is falling asleep, guys.
Straight to hell.
My belly's rumbling.
That
Starved
too.
me to death.
I know what my wife made now. I can smell it. Pea soup. I'm going to stop here. I am at 80% of my high water mark. I think I should just be happy because I went all the way back down to 0 while we were chatting in the last hour. And I
Take a
brought it
short.
back up again. You took a shit?
I said, could take a short.
Good take. Good. You're going to make me take a short and I'm going to go down again.
I don't know if I want to.
You could. Well, you could take a short any time of the day. You could take a
Good.
short now, too.
Good.
Hmm?
Either works or it don't.
Mm-hmm.
I like short.
Question is, does it go now or does it just bounce?
Mm,
Only one way to find out. Take a short.
I think it wants to go for 25,074. The higher points.
Yeah. Order filled already? What a bitch. I was moving my take profit around and forgot to move it again. All right, I got 10 more points.
Nice H pattern on the 1 minute.
Mm-hmm. 2 minute also. All right, I'm up nice across the board for the day. It's not a super big day, but it's a nice day.
Mm. Okay, let's call it here. What chip? Skeletor, you're still around. Cool dude. Bama, I know you're gone. Wood chip. Omnius. Wood chip. Futures.
Wood chip futures. Skeletor, wood chip futures. Bama, cool dude.
Go.
Hope
End
everyone
it
has
up.
a good weekend. Wood
Yeah,
chip.
you guys do.
Wood chip, do you not work at work?
No, I do.
He's like, I'm at work, but I'm trading. I'm at work. I'm trading. That's awesome, man.
Greg. Wood chip. Deal me in. 36. 59. End on a good note. Don't play it again.
Did he win?
Yay.
He did.
We.
Yeah.
That's it right there. Call it. Hit the credits.
Call it.
Wood chip, have a good
Okay,
weekend.
guys. Take care,
Mike.
guys.
Have a good weekend.
Yep, you too.
Yeah.
See you.
Later, guys. There's my thing at.
Yeah.
Lost the button. There you go. Later, guys.
The charts have had their say. Bulls and bears have battled. Now we call it a day. With NASDAQ's lessons learned and futures still in sight, we'll be back tomorrow chasing profits right. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. The market's